friends and fans of OSG, my name is Alyssa O'Brien, Product Engineer at OSG USA, and today we're talking flat bottom drills. Sometimes it's necessary to have a flat surface at the base of the holes where you want to drill. What's your go-to for an application like this? A lot of times customers grab an end mill and use it as a drill in order to create that flat. In today's video, we're going to explain the dangers of using an end mill for drilling applications and introduce you to the OSG ADF flat bottom drill. Take a look at this very simple setup where we're drilling a 3/8 hole in 1045 carbon steel with first a 4-flute carbide end mill, second a 2-flute carbide end mill, and third the OSG ADF flat bottom drill. In this first case, we're taking a very conservative and slow speed and feed at 100 SFM and 1 thou 8/10 inch per rev feed. Let's take a look at what happens. The thing you should concern yourself with in this type of application is chip evacuation. As you saw, that 4-flute end mill broke almost as soon as it got into the material. This is because the more flutes you have, the less room there will be for a chip evacuation. With 4 cutting teeth and even that tiny, slow little feed rate, the 4-flute couldn't hack it and broke as soon as the end cut filled up with chips. Now, the 2-flute end mill did make it through to the bottom of the hole. However, take a look at these chips. Very uneven. Some chips are long and stringy, while others look more jagged and squashed together. The ADF drill also made it through this hole, and take a look at the chips. We can see that these chips are much more uniform across the board. However, not the most ideal chips coming from a drilling operation. Let's put a pin in that for just a sec, and let's take a look at the 2-flute end mill and the ADF going a bit faster, 200 SFM and 5 thou 6/10 IPR feed. What changed? By increasing the feed rate, we were able to procure better chips from the ADF. The end mill chips are again not uniform and burnt, while the ADF chips are much smaller and uniform. Not only that, but take a look at the burr height between the 2 holes. Did you hear how crunchy and unstable the end mill sounded at that feed rate? Because the end mill struggled to get rid of the chips at this feed rate, the hole has bigger burrs at the entrance. Additionally, a quick pin gauge measurement told us that the end mill's hole was 15 thousandths oversized. Yikes. The pin gauge for the ADF measured between 374 and 375, by the way. Better chips means better hole quality and more safety for your tool. More quality at a more productive rate? I hope your answer is, yes please, I'll take the ADF. So if you're a customer who defaults to an end mill for your flat bottom hole needs, default no more. OSG offers a wide size selection of flat bottom drills for use in through coolant and non-coolant through applications. Thank you for watching. For more information on these amazing drills, please go to our website at osgtool.com or dial into the phone number below to talk to an OSG customer service representative today. And for more videos like this, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Catch you all next time.